Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back in Hall Green at the College Arms Bowling Club. I was here almost a month to the day in June last month, on the 11th of June. Today it's the 10th of July, and if you want to check out the video from a month ago, you'll see how the green has changed. It is bare, it's not a blade of grass on it, it's like bowling on concrete. I'm editing this after actually playing. Cannot follow Jackland, just guessing, and we did well to get 4 winners, to be fair. Home side bowled it really well, but it's just so fast and unpredictable. It just goes to show what can happen if you haven't got a watering system. I'm not sure if this green will survive for next year. If you don't get any rain soon, as you can see, and it's dust, not blade of grass. So yeah, it's really difficult. As always, thank you for watching, and I shall see you on the next one.